Hola, ¿qué tal? Today what we're going to do is study verbos de cambio radical. Verbos de cambio radical, otherwise known as our stem changing verbs. So the question that comes to mind are, what are stem changing verbs? Well, that is going to be the focus of what we are going to cover in this chapter. The first verb that we're going to study are the verbs that change from E to IE. Okay, so let's look at our verb chart. This is our verb chart. There are some verbs, like for example, the verb querer. The verb querer does a stem change from E to IE. So it is one of these that we are going to study. So if we look at the yo form, the verb for the yo form, the verb changes to yo quiero, tú quieres, ella quiere, nosotros queremos, vosotros queréis, ellos, ellas, ustedes quieren. So if we look here, we call these boot verbs because if you notice, the change from E to IE occurred right here. The E got substituted for IE on the boot part. Now you ask yourself, which is the boot part? Well, if we look here, the part that resembles the boot, that's the part that actually we saw the stem change occur. The E changed to IE in the yo, tú, él, ella, usted, and the ellos, ellas, ustedes form. It did not occur in these areas. In the nosotros or the vosotros forms, it does not do a stem change. So remember, the E to the IE will occur in these forms that make the shape of the boot. And again, we call these the boot verbs. Okay. The lesson for now is going to be the E to IE. Querer is one of those verbs. If we look at another verb, make a line here. Another verb that follows the E to the IE. Okay, it's another boot verb, is the verb perder. Okay. The E is going to change to IE in which forms? The yo, tú, él, ella, usted, ellos, ellas, ustedes. So let me make the chart. Okay, so perder, the E will change to an IE on the boot part. So yo pierdo, and let's remember perder is to lose. Yo pierdo, tú pierdes, él, ella, usted pierde, nosotros perdemos, vosotros perdéis, ellos, ellas, ustedes pierden. And again, you saw that the stem change, which was the E to IE, occurred in the boot part of the chart because it is a boot verb. Okay, so you see the E switched to an IE on the forms that make the shape of the boot. Okay, so very straightforward. Again, querer is a boot verb, an EI boot verb, and perder is an EI boot verb as well. If we look at a third one, third example, Another verb that is an EIE verb is the verb pensar. Pensar is to think. So we are going to make the chart. Okay, and so this is the part that will change from E to IE. So to think, I think would be yo pienso. You think would be tú piensas. He or she or you, someone older, or with formality, we say piensa. Nosotros pensamos. You notice the stem change did not occur here. It stayed just E. And pensáis is the vosotros and ellos, ellas. Stem change will occur here. Okay. So again, we're seeing that the stem change is occurring on the boot part of the verb. So the verb pensar, to think, yo pienso. Tú piensas. Él, ella, usted piensa. Nosotros pensamos. Notice there's no stem change. Vosotros, you all think. It doesn't have a stem change, but it will have it on the ellos, ellas, ustedes one. Okay, everybody, so this is the stem change, or what we call the verbos de cambio radical. These are the EI stem changing verbs. And these are 3 examples.